about social rehabilitation of person with the disability. I think this problem is very interesting, but very difficult. Social rehabilitation, one of the important tasks of social work.
Yeah.
Why? Shahrukh, what do you think about it?
Good afternoon, teachers, everybody. Maybe it's because social rehabilitation is most important task. Nowadays, people have differently or variety problem situation. So social rehabilitation is most of technology social work.
Yes.
I think it's important. So
Yes. It's very important technology social work, yes?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, next. Next. The concept social rehabilitation first was by the German doctor Karl von Bose. Then this concept used in social science. Now we will speak about definition. What does that mean, social rehabilitation? What do you think? What does that mean, social rehabilitation? Do you have definition? What definition do you have? Yıldız?
I think social rehabilitation can help you with your social skills and your management of everyday life. And disablities, people, independence and quality of life possible types of rehabilitation. In my think.
Thank you, thank you. Social skills and independent life.
Yes.
Okay. I give you my definition, not my definition, but I give you definition
Opinion.
use a lot of authors, you know. The concept social rehabilitation is set of measures made at restoration a person abilitate to function in social life. Understand?
Yes,
Yeah.
understand.
For example, building our family, getting education, work, and another. Can you example, Jasur?
If I give you my example, maybe it's going abroad for studying or working, so getting communication with friends and family. This also maybe activity.
Communication with friends, of social function too.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Another one terms. Next. Another one terms. Habilitation. Do you know this concept?
No, I don't know. What is
Okay. Okay. Habilitation. Habilitation is the identification a person inner potential. For us, yes, for us, it's very important potential, inner potential. For example,
habilitation?
habilitation, yes. For example, one person become blind, and we must understand
Yeah.
what his potential. and what will he do in the future? Yes?
Yes.
Understand me?
Yes, yes, understand.
Do you have opinion about it? No?
Maybe firstly, understand your planning or your feelings or your future plans and talking with them.
Future plan and communication with our client.
Yeah,
Yeah.
first of all.
First of all, yes. Thank you. Next. Social rehabilitation in this process of introduction between individual in society. We have to, we not only have to work with this individual, but also with his environment, person with disability. Okay? Can you tell me what environment person with disability?
In my opinion, teacher, in this modern world, all people see this kind of person normally. Then past days, because person who have disability, all people, normal people, care of about him, because it's personal duty.
Okay, okay,
And I have
okay.
my thing, individual rehabilitation or rehabilitation program for a disabled person is a set of program disabled person, rehabilitation assurance. For example, physical rehabilitation, educational, tobacco, alcohol rehabilitation, yes, neurological rehabilitation, it's stress rehabilitation.
Depression.
Depression, yes. Mental health rehabilitation.
You told us about rehabilitation components.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, we will continue. Principal rehabilitation. Yes? Okay. First, equivalence of the rehabilitation components. The rehabilitation components must be equivalent. Must be equivalent. Understand? What kind of components do you know, Mohinur?
I think social rehabilitation principles are medical rehabilitation, social rehabilitation,
Social and medical rehabilitation, but medical and social rehabilitation. Explain me. What does that mean? Social medical rehabilitation, yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Psychological rehabilitation.
Psychological rehabilitation, okay.
And physical rehabilitation.
Physical rehabilitation, and okay. Okay. Thank you. We will talk about of the rehabilitation components later, okay? Second, individualism. Each person have special needs. Yes? Yıldız, can you explain me individualism? What does that mean? This principle.
I mean, individualism is disabled person, including types, forms, volumes, timing, and protection for implementation of medical, professional, and other rehabilitation assurance of body function, formation, restoration,
Okay.
compensation, abilities.
And communication too?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, thank you so much. Next, first principle. Active participation of client in the rehabilitation process. Our client not only busy object, but also subject in the rehabilitation process. Yes?
Yes.
Do you remember very important principle, the UN Convention in the Right People with Disability? Nothing about us without
Without. Yeah.
us. Explain us. Shahrukh, what does that mean? Nothing about us without us. This principle, convention in the Right People with Disability.
Nothing about us without us. It means when we need to learn disabled person or involved, we need this person. Without disabilities, we can't learn their feelings, their character, or their another things. But they have. We can research new knowledge and we can get new knowledge. But without them, we can learn new news or other things. We only need these disabilities for new knowledge.
Okay. Person with disability have individual experience.
Yes,
Yes?
yes.
Now we will talk about a rehabilitation team. I think it's very important for us. In the process, the rehabilitation process not only involves social worker.
Yeah.
Yes? For example, psychology, teacher, lawyer, physician. Yes? And we must be manager of this team. I mean, social worker.
Yeah.
Why manager? Can you explain?
Can I tell you?
Yes, of course.
In my opinion, this situation, first of all, social worker working with disabled people, first of all. So, social worker identify persons' weakness and what they want. Social worker identify. So, all resource includes sent to teachers and lawyer. It's based on their situation. If people who have disability problem with buying their car and he don't know about how its rules, so it sent a lawyer. After that, lawyer recommend these people
What kind of recommends?
how to buy and what to do with this kind of situation.
Okay, thank you. And what is the psychology in this process? What is the physician in this process? Rehabilitation of the rehabilitation process. Yıldız, do you have opinion?
Yes, I think team in disabilities rehabilitation is very important. And in team, primary is athletic trainers,
Okay.
physician trainers, patient, orthopedics,
Close the door, please.
and physical therapists.
Okay.
Very team group.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Now we will talk about stages of the rehabilitation process. First, diagnosis of problems and identification, rehabilitation potential. It's first. Understand?
Yes.
You know, studies show that a woman great have rehabilitation potential than men. For me, it's very interesting. Why?
It's interesting question. Frankly speaking, men a lot of problem with working, so it's haven't got free time.
Why?
Women have free time and get this situation.
I'm not agree. I'm not agree.
Why?
Why? Because woman has two problems.
What kind of problem?
One, its first problem is children's upbringing, education.
Children
health,
is problem?
children's education problem, health problem,
Okay.
eating problem, cooking problem,
Okay.
in-house problem.
Uh-huh.
In-house, yes, cleaning, house washing, dishes, cooking, always, and work. And women have working. No, it's men's.
Maybe it's true. It's your opinion. I
Yes,
like.
yes, it's not my, it's women's opinion.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Gender's problem for us now.
yes, feministic. Yes.
Second, selection, rehabilitation methods. We will talk about rehabilitation methods next lesson, okay?
Okay.
Because it's difficult. First, the implemented rehabilitation. Yes. And last, rehabilitation assessment. About methodology rehabilitation assessment, we will talk next lesson.
Okay.
Now we will talk about